The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has confirmed that an internal inquiry into its suspended First Deputy President and Parliamentary Leader, Dr. John Hlophe, is underway and is expected to be concluded by the end of January 2026. The party's confirmation follows reports last month that Hlophe had been suspended with immediate effect, pending a full investigation into his conduct. The decision to suspend Hlophe was taken after Party President Jacob Zuma returned from an overseas trip to Burkina Faso and convened a meeting with senior MK party officials. During the meeting, Zuma was briefed on changes that had been made in the National Assembly without what the party described as adequate consultation within leadership structures. At the time, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party said Zuma had issued a precautionary suspension to Hlophe from both his leadership roles to reaffirm the principle of collective leadership across all party structures. As part of the same intervention, the party nullified Hlophe's decision to remove Chief Whip Colleen Makhubele and replace her with former Western Cape MEC Des van Rooyen. The party said the move underscored its commitment to discipline, accountability and collective decision-making as set out in its constitution. It had previously been reported that Makhubele was removed as chief whip and replaced by Van Rooyen, although the party did not formally disclose the reasons for her dismissal. However, a senior party insider indicated that the decision followed an internal report recommending her suspension pending further investigations. Addressing the issue, the MK party head of the presidency, Magasela Mzobe, sought to downplay concerns surrounding Hlophe's suspension, insisting it did not amount to his removal from parliament or from the party's leadership. Speaking to the SABC News, Mzobe said Zuma had acted swiftly after being bombarded with calls regarding the parliamentary changes while returning from what he described as a very successful trip to Burkina Faso, where he was championing the interests of South Africans and the African continent. He said the suspension was a temporary measure intended to stabilize the situation and allow Zuma time to fully consider the circumstances that led to the disputed decisions, and said the intention was not to remove the deputy president entirely from parliament. He remains a member of parliament. He remains the first deputy president of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, suspended pending the inquiry. According to Mzobe, Hlophe remains the party's leader despite the suspension, which he emphasized was precautionary and temporary. He said this was also why Van Rooyen was appointed only in an acting capacity as the party's leader in parliament. And said that's why Comrade Des was not appointed permanently. He was appointed as an acting leader in parliament. Mzobe expressed confidence that once the inquiry had been finalized, Hlophe will continue to play a leadership role within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and said, "I'm quite confident that once the president has applied his mind, the deputy president will continue playing a role that the president will assign him," adding that Hlophe could either resume his current position or redeployed to another role. Mzobe confirmed that the disciplinary process had already begun and that he had been instructed to formally request Hlophe's cooperation. Said, "I was asked to send a letter to his office requesting his full cooperation, and he confirmed that he would fully cooperate with the inquiry." He added that the party was confident the process will be wrapped up early in the new year, and said, "When we come back in the new year, it should be done by the end of January. I'm quite confident." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.